Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to go through some new releases from your girl honey, Chanel. I have a lot of Chanel content coming up because there's a lot going on. I wanted to talk about the watches today only because Chanel released these watches. This was like a few weeks ago, and they've got a lot of really good press, and a lot of like the watch blogs and stuff have been posting about them. Even though they are fashion watches, these watches have been quite well received, so I thought some of you might be interested. I know that there's a lot of complaints about Chanel with handbags and stuff, but honestly, like, Chanel is that chick. Big C is that girl, honey. So let's go through some of these watches. Let's start off here with the J12 Hyper Cybernetic. This is one of the new watches that has come out. This one, there are only going to be 55 units of this. It's quite geometric. It has these really strong sharp lines in it. This is very interesting. I'd love to know what you think about this one. And then there is the Boyfriend Cyber Data watch. This is very interesting. It has a black lacquered dial, and it has 54 brilliant cut diamonds. It also has a bracelet in black quilted patent leather with a silver lining. This is interesting. What do we think about this? Gosh, like, Big C is really coming with the heat, honey. Big C is not playing with you. There's also the Premier robot. So you know that Chanel reissued one of their vintage watches, the Premier, last year, I believe. So now they're bringing it back again, but they have made it look a little bit different. It's called the Premier robot. So this is the Chanel Premier robot. It comes with a 3D robot made in yellow gold with ceramics, titanium, onyx, and diamonds. This is very sleek. This would be a great present for someone who loves Chanel, but who's into like technology and AI. It's kind of edgy, isn't it? It's kind of cool. It's a bit different. It's kind of fresh. Oh my gosh, one of my personal favorites is this one right here, the Premier Hyper Lucky Star. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. It borrows from their fine jewelry collection. They have that like, they have a lot of stars, and they have like this cosmic, they have a cosmic kind of, like astronomy, like hint and tilt to a lot of their fine jewelry, and now we're seeing it in this watch. It is 18 karat white gold with 116 diamonds, and it has a white bracelet with 162 diamonds. This is absolutely going to be minimum 100K USD or Euro minimum, probably more than that. This is interesting. It's super cute. I'd love to know what you think about this. I'm guessing the mechanism for these watches will be quartz though, by the way, just like that's something to like be aware of just in case you're interested. The next watch is the Premier Camellia X-Ray. This is very cool. It's like their take on a skeletonized watch. It has the caliber 2 haute horlogerie movement designed in a 3-dimensional floral geometrical pattern. So this is not quartz. This has like a different movement. This is super beautiful. So it looks like a camellia, and we know that is one of Chanel's key motifs. The next one is the Code Coco Cyber Gold. This is super beautiful. It is a gold watch. It has a gold bracelet. Gold quilted leather, and it's like a bit of a logo piece because it just says like Chanel on it. So yeah, very, very cute. Also like that one, so I just wanted to show you those. So these are a few of the ones that are available. There's some others that are also available. I wanted to quickly show you this really beautiful box set. It's called the J12 Eclipse box set. This is one of those like special pieces that is coming out. And I don't know, I feel like this one, I feel like this is the one that, this is a kind of thing to give to a Chanel collector, because obviously it's going to be very unique, and it's going to be something which not many people are going to have, like a box set of Chanel watches. Like the true Chanel collector would love something like this. So I wanted to just quickly brief you guys on the things that are happening with Chanel, and like, what do you guys think about it? These watches were actually launched at Watches and Wonders, which is like this really famous like watch, like it's kind of like a watch road show, and it's done in Switzerland. All of the major brands take part in it, and they show all of their new watches. So Chanel took part in it as well. there is this, oh my God, okay, so these are some of the other ones I just wanted to quickly show you. There is this idea that it's a fashion watch, but the J12 specifically is a fashion watch, but it's a fashion watch that really changed the game because these watches are very popular and they really do sell. One of my personal favorites is this beauty right here, the Mademoiselle J12 Cosmic watch. It has Gabrielle Coco Chanel in her iconic black. She'd always wear black, as you guys know, if you see old pictures of Gabrielle Chanel, and she's standing kind of like this. It's pretty cool. Obviously her hands are like the watch tickers basically, which is kind of cool. I like that. It has baguettes on it. It's really, really gorgeous. I'm sure that's going to cost a fortune as well. So that is one that I wanted to show you because I remember seeing that all over social media and thinking it was so fun, so special. Just something fresh and different, you know, and I think that is something which I think we need to see things that are fresh and different. And I think that it's a wonderful watch for a Chanel collector. So I would love to know what you think about that one. I think that's probably my favorite one because it has her on it. And I feel like whenever they put Gabrielle Coco Chanel there, I feel like that's when it just feels like a true Chanel thing that's happening. It feels like a true Chanel piece. As well. There's also this version of the Premiere with the star, and it comes in black as well. So I wanted to quickly show you that one. There's also this really beautiful one here that's called Premiere X-Ray. It's like another option that you could also have as well. So yeah, that is basically it. These are basically the watches that are available. There is a men's watch that I wanted to show you, and it's called Monsieur Tourbillon Meteorite. It's literally Mr. Tourbillon Meteorite. This is really gorgeous, really beautiful, and this is going to be targeted to men. It has the Chanel lion in the cage of the tourbillon, which is pretty cool. So it says the Chanel lion, which is the emblem of the Maison of Chanel, sits inside the cage of the tourbillon and turns with the rhythm of the seconds. That's pretty cool. You know, Gabrielle Coco Chanel, she was a Leo. We always see the Chanel lion in a lot of the ready-to-wear. We see it as well, you know, in costume jewelry, so it's really cool to see it with the watches as well. We also have these really cool, I don't know, they look like wrist watches or these like watch jewels. And these are called the Mademoiselle Privé Pique Aiguille. These look very interesting. So basically this is pretty much it, and this is everything that is coming. There's also this Mademoiselle Privé Lion, which is a jewel box. I think you can put watches and stuff inside. I mean, honestly, this stuff is top tier. I know people always want to have a moan and a whinge, but I do think that the watches that they have released look amazing. I'd love to know what you think about these watches. Would you be planning to get any of them? What are your thoughts on watches in general? Do you like them? Do you like fashion watches? Honestly, a lot of the sort of so-called top tier watches, to me, a lot of them look very ugly. Some of them literally look like a dog's dinner, and some of them are ugly, and for me, beauty and aesthetics is the most important thing. A lot of these watches are super beautiful. The one that I love the most is the Premiere one that has the diamond bracelet with the star. I think that one is so gorgeous and perfect for evenings as well. I'd love to know what you think about this. I have a ton of Chanel content coming up in the next few weeks. Please make sure you stay here with me. We have so much to get through, and I'd love to know what you think about all of these watches. Would you like me to post about watches more? Please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.